Observe your African gray parrot closely. Something might be seriously wrong. That quiet demeanor, ruffled feathers, and half-closed eyes. These are urgent warning signs you can't ignore. Many owners overlook the critical link between diet and stress, but neglecting this connection can lead to serious consequences. A monotonous diet can trigger anxiety and distress in these intelligent birds, and this issue is spreading unnoticed in homes everywhere. Picture this urea at the pet store, confidently choosing seeds and pellets, unaware that your selections could be harming your parrot. Those ingredients might lack the essential nutrients your bird needs to thrive. Watch for key signs like constant preening, aggression, or reduced vocalization. Each behavior could signal stress, often rooted in inadequate nutrition that you might not even realize you were providing. Now, consider the alarming possibility your own Sevabrandt parrot is now withdrawn and silent. It might seem like a phase, but it could indicate serious health risks stemming from dietary neglect. Before panic sets in, remember that introducing fresh fruits and vegetables can transform your parrot's life. A simple dietary change could restore its energy and spirit. This isn't just about feeding, it's a lifeline for your African gray. Reflect on your role. Are you fostering an environment where your parrot can truly thrive? Sometimes, the smallest changes can lead to significant improvements. Don't wait until it's too late. Your African gray deserves more than mere survival, it deserves to flourish. Did you know that your seemingly healthy African gray could be hiding a serious issue? Many owners overlook this surprising reality. Imagine waking up one morning to find your feathered friend acting strangely. You might think it's just a phase, but what if it signals something more serious? Ignoring their diet can lead to hidden dangers that could break your heart. Many people believe their parrot will thrive on standard bird seed, but that's a misconception. A lack of variety in their diet can result in significant health problems. Your bird may seem active and cheerful, but it could be suffering from malnutrition beneath the surface. Picture this: you're enjoying a moment with your African gray as it playfully mimics your laughter. Everything seems perfect until you notice it's losing feathers and becoming sluggish. You might dismiss it as a seasonal issue, but those feathers could be a cry for help. The truth is, many owners don't realize that African grays require a balanced diet filled with fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains. Without these essential nutrients, they can develop serious disorders. This isn't just a minor oversight, it's a ticking time bomb. Now imagine yourself in a vet's office, anxiously awaiting a diagnosis. The vet delivers the heartbreaking news: your beloved companion is suffering from a preventable illness, all because vital dietary needs were ignored. But don't lose hope just yet. You can still make things right. Introducing a varied, nutrient-rich diet can lead to remarkable improvements. Just think how vibrant and lively your gray could become with a few simple changes. As we consider these hidden dangers, remember your parrot's health is in your hands. Ignoring the signs could lead to heartbreak. So, what will you choose for your feathered friend? If you found this information eye-opening, please share with other parrot owners. Let's raise awareness and help our beloved birds live their best lives. Imagine walking into a room and seeing your beloved African gray parrot sitting quietly, its feathers slightly ruffled. What if I told you that this silence could signal stress? It's unsettling, isn't it? This isn't just a casual observation, it's a warning. Many owners overlook a crucial factor: diet. Neglecting proper nutrition can have serious consequences, and you might not even realize it. Could your parrot be suffering in silence? You might think you're providing a balanced diet, but do you really know what those colorful pellets contain? Well, you really know what? The pie, Many commercial bird foods are loaded with fillers that lack nutritional value, leading to both physical and emotional distress for your feathered friend. Now, picture this: your parrot starts plucking its feathers, a sign of anxiety that could stem from an unbalanced diet. It's heartbreaking to witness. You might think, my bird is just bored, but what if the real issue lies in their food bowl? Stress can manifest in various ways, and diet is often a hidden culprit. You could be feeding your parrot seeds that are high in fat but low in essential vitamins, resulting in a sluggish, unhappy bird facing serious health issues. Imagine it trying to thrive on junk food. That's what your parrot experiences daily without the right nourishment. The right what your no will well It's not just about keeping them alive, it's about ensuring they live happily. If your parrot seems lethargic or overly aggressive, have you considered that their day might be the root cause? As we explore this further, it becomes clear how urgent this issue is. Your choices at the grocery store can mean the difference between a vibrant companion and a stressed, unhealthy one. So, what can you do? Start by examining what's in your bird's bowl. Look for natural, high-quality foods that meet the specific nutritional needs of African greys. This isn't just a choice, it's a commitment to their well-being. But don't stop there. Engage with your parrot. Offer a variety of fruits, veggies, and even some nuts. Introducing dietary variety can really lift their spirits. Just imagine the joy on their little faces when they discover something new and delicious. In the end, it all comes down